Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. Originally today I was going to show you how to do these nails, which I still am. I just happened to already did them on myself and the footage got lost, so here we are again. I've got another Model 1's polish set, which I've already dug into, so we'll just show you real quick. What I did was I saw a Celina Ryden Pictorial that she reposted from like 2014, I believe. And I recreated this a couple of times already on myself, and footage is, I don't know, aliens are eating up the footage. I don't know what's going on. Well, first off, you get the base, you get your base gel and your top coat. And I don't normally use the base gel, but I will use it today. And then you get all these colors, I just won't be using this one, which is 8057 today. I'm going to be using 8011, 8033, 8073, 8025, and 8003. All these beautiful pastels. This is a bright hot pink. Look at that. Oh, I'm saving this for summer. I had to repurchase these because I gave my nieces the other set, and well, they love them, and now I want them, so now I've got them. So what I did was show you my original mani at the end of the video as well. I just put some out on a little paper, whatever you've got. Get out your nail that's base coated, prepped, everything ready, and we'll just dig in. I've got a little lint-free wipe or makeup sponge, whatever, to wipe your brush on the side right here. I'm just going to go to town recreating my own nails now. It's kind of like a patchwork design. My biggest problem when I did it the first times was trying to be too even everywhere. The whole idea is to not be even. And that's my biggest problem. Plus, like on this fake nail, there's a lot of nail estate here to cover. The first time I did it, I did 2 coats of the colors. Because she did it with hard gels. I'll put a picture up of what I'm replicating in my own way. And it's just like a patchwork of colors. I'm not using hard gel, so I have to be careful that it won't peel up and that it's cured thoroughly underneath. And I just went and touched to the edge of the other wet color. And then I draw it down, try to get it uneven. You want the color even, but you want the little patchwork type design to be uneven from what I gather. Let's see, what color should we do next? Let's do it. The yellow is the lightest of all the colors. So that one, if you do a dark color first, extra wet that brush. And these do cure amazingly well. The first time I was so worried. I didn't know if I should flash cure in between, full cure in between. This time I just went for it and it worked. This one may need 2 coats on. Some of my nails I did 2 coats, some I didn't. Trying to remember to do it really uneven. That was my biggest problem. Let's do blue over here. Starting it way over there so that I remember to get it uneven. My biggest fault is trying to make everything even all the time. But you want it thin enough that it will cure, but yet enough so that you got some coverage, right? And this, when I first did this, I said, oh, this is just junk. What am I doing? What am I doing? I was totally floored by what, because these are a lot darker colors than, of course, she used. Make sure everything's kind of smooth, but there's a little trick that I'll show you if it's not 100% smooth. Let me give this a good thorough cure. Okay, it's thoroughly cured. If there's any little spots that you missed and want to touch up because you're wearing it, here I don't mind so much. Do that. Then get out that base gel. Use that. Let me put some of that on and give it a cure real quick. Well, I didn't cure it yet. I guess I should tell you. Put the base gel on, let it sink into all those little crevices, and if you need to, turn it upside down. If you didn't make it perfectly smooth, before the next step, you can hold it upside down so it don't get on your skin. But give this a good cure now. Okay, and one of the reasons I put base gel is to help it get into those cracks, help it level out, but top coat would do that too. But the next step on her pictorial was to put gold powder, and this was a Christmas present from imethod Beauty. See, imethod Beauty. I had a Christmas present from them. It's these powders. Let me just get out the gold one. I look at it, how I picked which one was gold. I just turn, these are mermaid powders. Just turn it. I can see the light reflection in it. And just pick out the gold one or whatever color you want to wear. I just went and dabbed and just rubbed it on. Now, if anything was bumpy, you could have buffed it before the base coat. I forgot to mention that. The first time I had to buff it, I had it lumpy and gumpy everywhere. This will make any little bumps show up, so make sure that you have it nice and smooth. The base coat really helps it stick. It's not, just pat it in there if it's not sticking. I just got out the top coat and some gems and went to town. All done. So everyone, thank you for being here with me today. Whoever wants to come over and do my right hand for my Easter nails, I would appreciate it very much. Thank you for being here with me today. Make sure you cure your nails. Till next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.